Very nice. Okay, you come another head to the purple bucket. You stay right here in the orange bucket. What is your name? Keegan, what is your name? Krista, give Keegan and Krista a round of applause. Very good. Now this is going to happen. I'm going to count down from 3 when I get to 1. You all yell bean. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Very good. How did you all know to yell that? I didn't tell you. You all knew it was psychic. Very good. Let's see where it lands, everyone. This is my favorite part. Ooh, that old birthday cake or dirty dishwasher. All right, here we go. Hold out both hands. Very good. Do not eat it just yet. All right, hold out both hands. Very good. Now turn and face the audience. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Bean. Eat the bean. Eat it. I don't care if you don't like it. Eat it. Swallow it. No, I'm just kidding. If it's really bad, spit it out in the bucket. Why are you having this expression of odd, like, oh, do I like this dirty dishwasher? This might be a new flavor I enjoy. Don't give it, wow, really, that's what you're saying? Child Protective Services, where are you? No, I'm kidding. I'm not concerned about your eating habits. Everybody give our lovely volunteers a round of applause. They seem to have survived the round. For their participation, they shall receive a complimentary sticker as well as their box of flavored beans. Very good, now exit the stage. I need 2 more volunteers. You right here and you right there. Very good. All right, ma'am, you can come around here to the red bucket. You stay right here with the orange bucket. What is your name? Anthony. What is your name? Kenzie. Everyone give Anthony and Kenzie a round of applause. Very good. Now I'm going to spin the wheel, but I'm going to do it first after I count down from 3. When I say 1, you all yell bean. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Nobody yell bean. Do I need to stop playing this game? Do you want the candy or not? You have to yell bean, okay? Yell bean. Ooh, strawberry banana. Or dead fish. All right, hold out both hands. Very good. Do not eat it just yet. All right, hold out both hands. Very good. Now turn and face the audience. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bean. Eat the bean. Eat it. Your expression is so just like, ugh.
This is like so disgusting, man. This is just the worst bean I've ever had in my life.
Wow, with all of the saliva you spit out, my goodness. How's yours? Is it terrible? Oh, it's so bad. And did you spit it out? You still ate it. Get out. No, I'm kidding. Everyone give our lovely volunteers a round of applause. For the station shall receive a complimentary sticker as well as your box of flavored beans. All right, thank you for volunteering. I have 2 more volunteers. You way in the back there.